Well, what's going on, guys? This is Jay. I usually not make the video like this about technology, more about people and body work, but I want to share this because I spend so much money on the wrong microphones, and that was terrible. You know, when you spend $100, $80, let's say the greedy pay twice. You need to buy one microphone and this microphone for everything, because if I remember a couple years ago, you need to buy microphone for the phone, for your computer, for your camera, and now it's just one microphone because you got those adapters, and this is save a lot of money for you. So I just want to introduce this. They not pay me for commercial, but I will tell you, you will save a lot of time, nerves, and because if you fuck it up, your good video, the sound is going to be bad. No one's going to watch those videos. You know that. But with this voice, you will never do that. So I'm going to show you. This is microphone. I don't want to put the brands, but all those microphones, you see, it's all the way here. I got those things from the Tamil. Terrible place. Don't go there. Don't waste your time because it's going to create more problems. So DJI, and this is the mini one. Look how big this thing is. This is the bag. Inside the bag, you get this cable for your camera, the charger, and those, bunny microphones. So protect you from the wind if you're shooting outside. And it's a clippers up here. Oop, a loose one. All right, get in there. And let me show you the whole thing. All you do, just open like that, and that's it. Connect to your camera, connect to your phone with a specific adapter. It's right here in the back. Let me take the whole thing. This is how big it is. You can apply it to the phone with a specific adapter. Let me show you. So it's a receiver. And this is adapter. So you can do for the two people, it's a 2 microphone inside. And guess what? I show you one thing. It's amazing. This is specific magnet in the back. You can apply to your short, like right on the top, to your jacket. Like this, whatever. So you can adjust it. Also, you can use this magnet, whatever your distance you want. If you do sometimes a lot of aerobic, like jumping, and you breathe right to the microphone, people don't like it. So you can lower this down close to your boobie right here, and look, it stay up there, and it's not movable because magnet is so strong. It's hold it in this position, and this is how you release. Guess what? You don't need to pairing all that stuff. You know, that old school stuff, like one of those. You have to pair it. You have to hold the buttons. This one, you just plug into your camera, and it's done. It's automatically, when you put it out, it's automatically going to be connected to each other. You don't need to do anything. So guess what? If you're not a techno girl or techno guy who don't know what to do, that's your solution. And I believe it's $240. So you're going to save a lot of time, get some quality sound. And this is my kind of lesson. So if you guys want to shoot something for your customers, or you want to do some blogging, that's the cameras for outside, for the sport, for any events, any content for your channel. So, all right, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna place that microphone on that camera. Now I have a Nikon 7500, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this on the camera, and you talk through this thing. You're gonna feel the sound, okay? So here we go. All right, so I put this microphone on my chest right now, and you can hear how sound is. I think it's amazing. All right, so guys, use this DJI. It's a mini. Trust me, save a lot of time, energy, and you're gonna start love technology. All right, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.